Hello, this is Joe with Canon Trading Company. Today I'm going to do a short video on finding levels of support and resistance using our E-Futures platform and charting, along with the drawing tools that are available to you. So first thing I'm going to do here is take a look at a daily chart on crude oil. This is January crude, just recently rolled from December, and you can see the last price here is $41.98. So what I'm going to do here is, this is a daily chart, a good longer time frame to start on with your analysis, and I'm going to put a horizontal line here where you can find support. Pretty obvious here for this particular level. You can see I'm going to double click on that to get the properties and change the width from 1 to 5 so it's a little more obvious for you to see. And then I'll extend it a little bit to the right so you can see it coming into resistance here later on. But here's a try, again a second time with a rally, and third time here this level was broken and has now turned into much of a downtrend under that level of support, which is now going to act as resistance. You can see it tried coming up here and failed, and again tried coming up and failed. So you could say it's a little bit higher or a little bit lower. Lots of times support and resistance are more of an area rather than a specific number. So you can see the symmetry in the rejection coming down to that level, and also the rejection coming up to that level. That's a pretty good line there in the sand, somewhere around 53, 50, 52, 75, somewhere in that level for this contract. Now I'll zoom in just to a little bit of a closer time frame. You can see now our level of resistance is up here, and we're going to find a level of support now on a 4-hour chart. Just kind of at first glance you can see this level here has obviously been supported, so we're going to draw that same line, just kind of extend it over here to the right and double click. Of course no line is going to be perfect when it comes to support and resistance, but you can see that several times this price has tried this level and been rejected, and when it broke through here it's kind of been strong, and then just this final test right here on November 11th, this caused this downtrend to continue. So that's a quick way of finding levels of support and resistance. Also going to show you just this, what's called a call out box or a text box, which you can write just support on the couple times that it tried this level, and resistance. This is just to help train your eye as far as being able to see these levels without having to double check or hold your mouse over it and look for the prices. You could just see these quick drawing tools and use them as a reference. So thanks again for watching. Again, this is Joe with Canon Trading Company, and good trading to you. Thank you.